You've tried it all: spot treatments, scrubs, glass skin serums. But every morning, the mirror tells the same frustrating story. Breakouts that won't budge. Pores that seem to grow overnight. Skin that looks tired no matter how much you rest. But what if the real problem isn't your skin? What if it's your diet? Here's what no one's telling you. There's a powerful skin-repairing vitamin that works silently, behind the scenes. Not on your face, but inside your body. It doesn't come in a bottle. You won't find it on a beauty shelf. But it might be sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. And the craziest part, most people are missing it completely. This one overlooked nutrient could be the missing piece between you and the clear, radiant skin you've been chasing. It's called niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, and once you understand how it works from the inside out, your entire skincare game will change forever. So what foods are secretly feeding your skin from within? And how do you unlock the full glow-boosting power of niacinamide through your meals? Let's dive in, but stay with me, because what you'll discover next might surprise you. Hello friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. Niacinamide isn't just a trendy skincare ingredient. It's an essential vitamin that your body needs every single day. Here's why it's so important. 1. It repairs and strengthens your skin barrier, protecting you from dryness, irritation, and environmental damage. 2. It improves blood circulation and energy production, making your skin look naturally alive and youthful. 3. It reduces inflammation, which means fewer breakouts, less redness, and a healthier complexion. 4. It supports your overall health, boosting brain function, heart health, and even digestion. When your body has enough niacinamide, it's like activating a natural skin filter. Your face starts looking brighter, smoother, and younger, without any filter or makeup. Food sources. The best part: you don't need to rely only on creams or supplements. You can eat your way to healthier skin and a stronger body because niacinamide is naturally present in many foods. Let's break them down into easy categories so you'll always know what to include in your meals. 1. Protein-rich animal sources, best absorption. Animal-based foods are your fastest and most effective way to load up on niacinamide because your body absorbs vitamin B3 from animal sources much more easily than from plants. If you want visible results quickly, like brighter skin, more energy, and fewer breakouts, these should be your go-to foods. Chicken breast. This lean meat is a skin saver. Packed with vitamin B3, it fuels your energy levels while helping repair your skin at a cellular level. Eating chicken breast regularly can improve skin elasticity and keep you looking youthful without excess fats. Turkey, white meat. Turkey is a metabolism booster. The white meat contains high levels of niacinamide that aid in cell repair and help maintain clear, even-toned skin. Tuna and salmon. These fish are double powerhouses. They are high in niacinamide and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight skin inflammation, dryness, and early signs of aging. Salmon, in particular, gives your skin that plump, dewy glow from within. Beef and liver, red meat, especially liver, is like a multivitamin for your body. It's packed with vitamin B3, iron, and other nutrients that help fight fatigue, support healthy blood circulation, and bring life back to dull, tired skin. Eggs, a breakfast classic that never fails. Eggs are rich in B3 and other B vitamins that strengthen hair, improve skin texture, and even support healthy nails. Pro tip: include one of these protein sources in at least one meal a day for a natural niacinamide boost. Even without realizing it, your skin and body will start to thank you with better energy and a brighter complexion. 2. Plant-based sources, for vegetarians and vegans. Don't eat meat? No problem. Plants can provide powerful doses of niacinamide too. Plus they come packed with antioxidants, fiber, and minerals that also support your skin and overall health. Mushrooms, especially portobello and shiitake. These aren't just delicious, they are like natural skin supplements. Mushrooms help fight oxidative stress, which prevents premature aging and keeps skin smooth. Green peas, small but mighty. Green peas are loaded with fiber, protein, and vitamin B3. They not only feed your skin but also keep your gut healthy, which is key for a clear complexion. Brown rice and oats. Whole grains like brown rice and oats release energy slowly, keeping your blood sugar stable. This helps reduce breakouts and skin inflammation, while also providing niacinamide for cell renewal. Sunflower seeds. These crunchy little seeds are skin repair warriors. A handful each day can help strengthen your skin barrier and protect against dryness and irritation. Avocado, the ultimate beauty fruit. Its combination of healthy fats and niacinamide supports glowing, hydrated skin and reduces signs of aging. Skin glow hack. Combine these foods in a single meal, like an avocado and mushroom brown rice bowl, to supercharge your niacinamide intake while enjoying a nourishing plant-based meal. 3. Nuts, seeds, and legumes. Snack your way to glow. If you're busy or always on the go, these foods are perfect beauty snacks. They are easy to grab, rich in niacinamide, and also help your skin fight aging from within. Peanuts. Surprisingly, peanuts are one of the highest plant sources of niacinamide. A handful can give your body a nice boost of B3 to keep skin healthy and radiant. Lentils and chickpeas. These legumes are a 2-in-1 beauty food. They are full of niacinamide for your skin and fiber for your gut, which helps reduce inflammation and breakouts naturally. Chia seeds and flax seeds. Tiny but mighty. They pack niacinamide along with omega-3 fatty acids, which smooth fine lines and improve skin hydration over time. Snack hack. Mix roasted chickpeas, peanuts, and sunflower seeds for a crunchy, nutrient-rich snack. It's basically an edible skincare routine for your body. 4. Fortified foods for busy lifestyles. Life gets busy, and sometimes we don't have the time to cook fresh meals every day. That's where fortified foods come to the rescue. These foods have extra niacinamide added, making it super easy to hit your daily vitamin B3 goals. Breakfast cereals. Many brands are fortified with vitamin B3. Just check the label for niacin or vitamin B3, and you've got yourself an effortless morning boost. Whole wheat or multigrain bread. Not all bread is created equal. Choose fortified whole grains to support your skin and energy levels throughout the day. Plant-based milks, almond, soy, or oat milk often comes fortified with B3, making it a great option for vegans or anyone looking for an extra nutrient boost. Easy win. A quick breakfast of fortified cereal with plant-based milk is one of the fastest and simplest ways to start your day with niacinamide, no supplements needed. Why diet matters more than skincare. Here's a little secret. Topical niacinamide creams and serums can only do so much. They work temporarily, but if your body isn't getting enough niacinamide internally, the results will fade. When you feed your body vitamin B3 from the inside, your skin naturally repairs itself, pores tighten, and inflammation decreases, all without expensive treatments. So think of your diet as the foundation of healthy, glowing skin, and your skincare as the final touch. If you want younger, brighter, and healthier skin while also supporting your overall health, start adding these niacinamide-rich foods to your meals every day. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which one are you excited to try now? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's trying to improve their skin naturally. Because remember, true beauty starts from the inside.